Okay, so sushi.
¿Qué picaya, pa? Picaya.
Okay, this is our restaurant for the night. Here is the place for our buffet. Seriously, like the Brazilian buffet. And ooh, look at that, smell really good. Smells good. They got buffet and everything here. So oh yeah. Nice. Let's go. So this is the original Brazilian buffet, right? So this is like the buffet that you can pick up and include with the buffet price. Huh? Okay. Hey, can I give you the bigger one?
Like a lamb chop?
I don't know. So this is like all Brazil food or more Western?
Kind of like Brazil.
Brazilian style. So this is I don't know, you guys need to see. It's like they got the vegetable crab thing, the crab meat cake, and tomato. So they got a lot of options already. But I don't wanna have those food and then we're gonna end up like so full in the same time, and we can't have all those kind of steak and everything. Okay, so this is more like mix of Asian. Got sushi. Ooh, they got the salmon, but the salmon, it doesn't look fresh. It's a little bit look dark. I mean like brown color. Okay. And then, ooh, actually they got some spicy thing because I kind of like in Brazil they don't eat spicy food, but this is spicy. I hope this is spicy. And you guys can see all the meat and everything here. And you got some cheap potato here. It's more like Brazilian style, all kind of foods, like similar to Western food as well. Where is the thing, the one that you make like tomato and onion? They don't have it over there. They have over there. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright guys, so this is what we have. Pick up from the buffet station just now. And then we got ourselves the beer as well over there. And doesn't eat so much like us. We are the hungry kid from Africa. The skin part of the pork or whatever called the beef. What is it?
Yeah, try one of those wings. They're really good.
That? Yeah. Can you give me one? Yeah. Oh, that's good.
They have a couple now.
Okay, give me one. All right. Thank you. Oh my God. Like you guys can see, I have so much food on my plate from the buffet. Plus the staff are keeping passing around the steak, chicken, pork, and now the chicken heart. I never thought people love to eat chicken heart so much in Brazil. Especially Dan, he also loved this kind of chicken heart. And he's the one who taught me how to eat that. And yeah, so now I love chicken heart.
Oh yeah. Very tasty.
Here is another type of meat that includes with everything in the buffet, and the staff are keeping passing around the different kind of meat steak as I mentioned earlier. Normally they have signed yes or no if you want them to serve you more food, or no, you want to have a break and enjoy your food while you are eating, and they will not asking you, so you will need to use the sign on the table. Another one that you don't want, just say no thank you. So right now we're gonna have
Take a picture of your
yes
beer.
please. So the staff always look at the sign on the table before they are approaching if you want meat or not. And yes, we want meat because we are flipping the sign say yes.
I'll grab for you while you film.
Thank you.
You like that?
Can you tell him that I want the most part is the skin? Okay, so I don't know, maybe this is the fourth, 5 or 6, but this is, I think the best part for me is the skin here. So this one is just so crispy.
Honey and cheese.
Cheese. Nice.
Got it. Do you want garlic bread? Por favor.
Alcatra.
Não, moço, não aguento mais. Não veio preparado.
I forgot here. You see so many things that have.
Would you like?
Okay, I want.
E ele é meu pai.
How's your fruit so far?
Very good.
This one, salt. This one's a little salty for us. Just like
Lemon.
He loves the
I
lamb.
like lamb.
That's the
Que picanha, tá? Picanha.
Okay.
Hannah, tell him just a very little because I have too much.
Pedaço bem pequenininho.
Yeah, I don't want to waste the food.
Spicy. Spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Ela quer spicy. É, uma pedaço. Gente, eu me perdi.
Still big. Still big.
There.
So this is our dessert. So the dessert is not included with the buffet, right? I don't think. This is like a more upselling. That's why the dessert is kind of like a more special in a very nice box. And the drink is not including as well. Last, if they are asking you if you want any dessert with a trolley like this, it means that it's extra charge and it's not free included with the buffet as well as the drink. So don't confuse, at most of the restaurant buffet the dessert will be included. So this is just your information, and anyway it's time to pay the bill. Guess how much? 522.
Not bad at all.
That's what I thought.
120. Okay,
Normally one person.
I'm calling you an Uber.
Okay, everything tonight is $100, something like that. So 522, just a little over 100, just like around 522 real,
It
Brazilian
needs to.
real. All right, so we are leaving now. And here is the restaurant. So this is the place. So like, oh, it's here. So we are calling the Uber for our transportation.